Now let's talk about how you can enable bell icon on YouTube. Let's get into it. Well, I made a similar video, but this time I want to talk about the creators because a lot of people just want to know if they publish a video and click or tell their viewers to hit the bell icon. What does that mean? Well, it is a feature built into YouTube and it's not something you can enable when publishing video nor when you are watching, right? Essentially, whenever you decide to subscribe to someone or a viewer decides to subscribe to your channel, they get to click that, and then there are three options they have in terms of notifications. All of them are indicated by the bell icon, so the distinction is only in the way the bell is like visualized, right? So one option is no notification, so none, where the bell is strike through. That is for the occasion where you want to subscribe to a channel but you don't want to receive any notifications at all. Then you have the personalized, which is the default way, and that is, based on your usage and your interest, you might get only some videos as notifications. Might be useful. And then you have also essentially every single video that creator publishes, then all of them will be delivered as a notification on your phone. So no matter if you are a creator or a viewer, these are the options. You cannot change them, you cannot tweak them, and only the viewer gets to pick the type of bell, right? So there isn't really much which you can do as a creator. You can only just encourage your viewers if you believe that your content is valuable to be notified about it. So that's it. Of course, speaking of that, you can also subscribe to my channel, but in my case, it's not really worth it to just hit the bell as I publish a lot of videos. I would just encourage you to subscribe and then check out and browse like some of the topics which you might find helpful. Anyways, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe, as I said, and I'll see you in the next video.